I've always been fascinated with what the Boring Company does. So much to the point where I bought one of their hats to raise money for the company in its early days. Now, over a year later, the company is already demonstrating the Teslas in action underground. I thought it might be interesting to take a look at how the Boring Company tunnels work. The first thing to know with these tunnels is that for the cars to go through, you can't have vehicles that give off emissions. For example, a gas car would leave a lot of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases trapped in the tunnel. But electric cars would be fine because they produce zero tailpipe emissions. The next thing to keep in mind is that only Teslas are able to use these tunnels currently. Maybe in the future, you may be able to bring down your other electric car, like a Nissan Leaf or a Chevrolet Bolt, but for right now, only Teslas. The Boring Company uses Tesla Model X's as a part of their test fleet. In the Boring Company's idea video, the Teslas appeared to be driven on a skate that was then taken down to the tunnel by an elevator system. That skate was then accelerated to over 125 miles per hour while the car wasn't using any power, but the skate was. This would be part of an expansive network of tunnels located around high traffic areas. The new plan, according to the Boring Company event in December, showcased the Tesla Model X with bumpers on each wheel. That approach meant that instead of the skate using power, the Model X would be consuming power. If the Model X were to go 125 miles per hour and use energy, the battery would drop significantly, resulting in a low power at your destination. Another issue is that these bumpers on the wheels are not like the skate prototype that can be driven onto. They have to be installed before the car arrives at the tunnel. That just adds extra complication to the process of getting cars into the tunnel correctly and efficiently. There's another prototype that wasn't unveiled at the event but was shown in one of the videos made by the Boring Company. That is the People Pod, as I like to call it. It is expected to hold 10 to 15 passengers inside and wouldn't require the use of a car. This option would work more like a subway car, except for a few differences. Difference number 1, faster speeds. Subways typically go at a rate of 30 miles per hour. Yes, that is faster than taking a car in Los Angeles, but it is not compared to the speeds of the Boring Company tunnel, going 4 times faster. Difference number 2, no driver. Unlike a subway car, there isn't a driver inside of the Boring Company People Pod. Instead, everything is all autonomous, without a need for the driver. That approach is a lot safer in the sense that no human error can be made. Currently, the Boring Company's tunnels aren't available for public use, but will soon be available in the coming years. Hopefully, you learned a lot about how the Boring Company tunnels work. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more content every Wednesday. Also, let's try to get the video to 15 likes. I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.